Right, I'll do that. All right, bye. Yeah. Hey, babe.
What was that?
My friend Dalo, she sends her regards.
Chidalo. Chidalo again. Frank, what is wrong with you? I don't understand you. I don't. You came back from work. You stood here so comfortably talking to another woman while I was right inside. Frank, what is this? And so what if you were talking to Chidalo? Just stop it. So what? Frank, listen. You're mine. And I do not intend to share you with another woman. Just so you know.
My baby say I love you. You are my forever. So make no. Make nobody come closer. You're mine forever. Just wanna be with you. And you just alone. See, I don't want to share with anybody. No giving space, no giving chance for anybody. So it is starts. Smart, that's so it is starts. Why you doing this to me? Why you doing this?
Just leave me alone. Leave me alone.
Baby, what is it? I thought we talked about this already. Why are you making a mountain out of a molehill?
Really? Look, Frank, I am no longer comfortable with this brouhaha. I am no longer comfortable with it. Every time Chidalo this, Chidalo that. What is it? I am sick and tired of hearing that name in this house. I am sick and tired of it. Fine. You guys were best of friends. So what? Now it's me. I'm here. Focus on me, Frank. Me!
You see, this is exactly what I'm trying to avoid.
And what do you mean by that?
Are you trying to insinuate that I have something to do with Chidalo?
I am not insinuating anything. You know yourself, so search yourself and tell yourself the truth. Look, you have to stop whatever friendship that's going on between you and Chidalo. Because I'm not having it. Else I will call off this relationship.
Women and jealousy, they're like 5 and 6.
Frank, you're not saying anything. You're ignoring me, right? Frank, I'm talking to you. Also, you're just going to walk away like I'm talking to myself, right? Like I mean nothing to you. Frank, it's better you choose between Chidalo and I. You have to choose between Chidalo and I. Okay. No, you're going to tell me the meaning of what you just did. Frank! You're going to tell me the meaning of what you just did right now. Frank! Frank, what's the meaning of what you did out there? Frank, I am talking to you. You can't be ignoring me all the time. You can't ignore the one you say you love.
You're beginning to get on my nerves.
And what's that supposed to mean?
I had a long day today. I need some peace of mind, all right?
Look, Frank, you have to choose between Dalo and I. So what is it? Dalo or I? Make your choice.
You're so impossible, you know that?
Frank, I need an answer. Babe.
Yeah?
So you're already sleeping?
Is there a problem?
Dinner is served.
I'm not hungry.
I don't get it. What do you mean by you're not hungry? I know you don't eat out, so I do not want to believe that you ate out. Come to the dining and eat.
Hey, listen, I have an appointment in the morning as early as 8 a.m. Alright, so I need to go back to sleep. Don't disturb me again.
Oh, I see. So because of your appointment, you don't want to eat my food. Frank, if you don't eat the food that I prepared for you tonight, first thing tomorrow morning, I'm out of here.
This girl is not your wife material at all. Hello? Mom, I hope you're not giving yourself any type of trouble. What? Are you serious, Mom? He gave her that type of money? This is unbelievable. Mom, you know what? I'm coming back. I'm coming back. I'm coming back. I'll turn the car around. I'm coming back. All right. So I've been meaning to ask you, what do you like about me?
What do I like about you?
Yeah.
I like that you are the most handsome man on earth.
Is that all?
Plus, you are every lady's spec. And you have succeeded in walking your path into success and fame. And most importantly, you are the first son of the dynamic politician and business mogul.
But you don't know that I'm self-made. And also, you don't know my father. You haven't met him before.
See who's talking. You're talking like you don't know who your father is and what he represents. So tell me, when am I going to meet this great man?
Soon.
How soon is you soon?
Sometimes I feel like you're desperate to meet my father. Why is that?
Desperate?
Yeah.
Honey, what's being desperate about wanting to meet my father-in-law?
Okay, enough of this talk about meeting my father. I want you to focus on me. Is that possible?
Honey, I am focusing on you. You know I've longed to meet my prospective father-in-law.
Well, even if I want you to meet my father, it has to be at my own time. Definitely not now. So I want you to kill the desire.
Honey, I don't get you. Why is it that anytime I raise the issue of your father, you're always waving it off? Why?
Don't even start. We've been talking about this for over 2 weeks. We've been talking about my father, or meeting my father for over 2 weeks. What the hell is wrong with you?
Why are you raising your voice?
I'm not raising my voice. I'm just telling you that enough of my father. Focus on me. Focus on us.
What's biting you?
There's nothing biting me. I have work to do.
You have work to do?
Yes.
Okay. I'm leaving. I don't get it one bit. What is this father and son thing going on?
When it comes to my father, I have my reservations.
I don't understand.
You don't have to understand. Now, can we end every conversation about my father and focus on things more important?
I can't stop talking about him, Frank. We need to trash this issue now.
This is my workplace. A client might walk in. Do you know that?
Why do you always avoid talking about your dad? Is there something you're not telling me? I mean, a detailed explanation about something I should know?
You're getting unnecessarily irritating, and you're beginning to piss me off.
I think there is something you're not telling me. Why don't you like talking about your father? Frank? I'll find out. I must.
Hello? Hi, Oliver. What's up? Where are you? Okay. On my way. Yeah. See you soon. Alright. Bye.
Oh, honey, look at this.
Oh.
This is really beautiful.
Beautiful?
Yes.
I don't like
You
it.
know what? You don't like this?
Yeah. The woman is practically naked. Can't you see?
Honey, how would you say that you don't like this dress?
Wearing this would expose your cleavage.
Honey, look, this is what is trending.
Trending?
Yes.
So because you want to trend, that's why you should wear something to
Honey, if
expose.
you say you don't like this dress, then you don't have eyes for beautiful things.
What the hell do you mean?
Because why would you say you don't like this
You are my
classic
wife
dress?
to be. You can't possibly wear that.
Honey,
Come
this
on.
is the latest. This is what's trending. You're old fashioned, you're old school. You don't
Oh,
know
thank
what's
you, but
trending.
you're not going to wear that. Show me the other one next, please.
This one. But
Beautiful. She's properly covered.
no, honey, this
Her
is
boobs
old
aren't showing.
Fashion.
Her boobs aren't
Old
showing.
fashion, honey. This is old.
Listen, her boobs aren't showing.
No.
Your boobs
Babe?
are meant. Yeah?
The car just drove in. Are you expecting someone?
Not at all. Are you?
No, I'm not.
Who could that be?
Okay, perfect. How about this?
Meh, this is not bad. No, that one is no.
But I really like the first one, though.
Okay, this one is better.
I don't like
See, it's properly covered. See, the one is looking very elegant. Hey! Oh, Dalo! Oh my world! How are you?
I'm fine.
Look at you!
Look at you.
Come here. It's been a while.
It's been ages.
Dr. Dalo,
Barrister
turn around. Oh my world. You look so good.
I'm blushing.
How have you
look
been?
good too.
Oh, thank you.
I missed you.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Please come, have a seat. Oh my God.
Thank you. Hey, hello, Joan. How you doing? You're not looking bad. Is everything alright?
Sure, everything is fine. Please, what do I offer you?
My usual.
All right. I'll be right back.
Okay.
Yeah.
Best tea. I've missed you. Wow, this place is changed a bit.
Chidalo, or whatever you're doing. Stay away from Frank. For your own interest. Stop coming to this house. Frank is mine, and he's already taken. For your information, we're getting married soon, and I don't want him to get distracted. I need him to focus. So stop coming to this house. Stay away from him.
Joan, no one is disputing the fact that Frank is yours. I only just came around to see my best friend. That's all.
Best friend indeed. I think I have driven home my point. And I know that you understand. I don't want to see you anywhere close to my man. Because if you do, you won't like what I will do to you.
Joan, I will and can never have anything to do with Frank. Do you understand that? I had a less day at work. Decided to stop by to see my friend. Besides, his family and my family have been family friends for quite a long time.
Save yourself the stress. I am not interested in your story. Stay away from Frank. Don't let me design your face with a broken bottle. You know what I can do.
Joan, you're having insecurity issues and you need to deal with it. Do you understand that?
So you're still sitting there? You want me to push you out? You are leaving this house now!
She goes nowhere.
Frank, she's leaving.
I said she goes nowhere.
She is leaving.
She goes nowhere.
She is leaving this minute.
That's my decision to make.
She is leaving this minute.
Frank, I'll just leave. Okay? Take care of yourself.
I don't show your ugly face in this house again. Frank! Frank, where are you going? Frank! Come back here!
Dalo, please, I'm sorry. I'm sorry for what happened in there. Forgive her. Please.
It's fine. I understand. I'm not upset. I know she's trying to protect her man.
I understand. Thank you. Thank you for understanding as well. Okay? Alright?
You should start going before she starts insinuating things.
It's okay. I'll call you. Hey, I'm happy to see you again. Okay?
Same here.
I'm happy to see you again.
Same here, bestie.
Alright?
And what is she still doing here? What are you still doing here? Chidalu.
Bestie, I'll see you later, okay?
Leave! Get out!
Hey, stop
Get
it!
out! Leave! Osman! Open the gate!
Are you out of your mind?
I am not out of my mind, Frank. I am not.
My baby say I love you. You are my forever. So make nobody come closer. You are my forever. Just wanna be with you. And you just alone. See, I don't want to share with anybody. So make nobody come closer, 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 closer. Bestie, bestie, one call my love. Bestie, bestie, one call my love. Bestie, bestie, one call my love. Say no giving chance, no giving space, no giving chance for anybody, anybody. No giving chance, no giving space, no giving chance for anybody, anybody. So it is start. Small, that's so it is starts. Why you do this to me?
Joan, what the hell is wrong with you?
What is it?
Give me one reason. I shouldn't throw you out of my house. You just insulted my friend.
Insulted? Frank, you said insulted. You haven't seen anything. No, you haven't seen anything. I have not insulted her. It is when she comes back to this house, then you will know that I am a mad woman.
Joan, Dalo is my friend. In fact, my childhood friend. We are family friends.
She was your childhood friend. I am your fiancé.
Right.
Frank, you need to know how to draw the line. Because I am no longer comfortable with your closeness with Chidalu.
We just met. We lost contact. I haven't seen her in a while. I just saw her.
I am human with feelings. Now what do you expect me to do? I should just sit there, fold my arms, and watch you both get close? What are you saying, Frank?
What are you up against?
I would do anything to protect my man.
Oh, right. So how are you protecting me?
You're talking like you've not seen your friend. Have you taken a close look at her? How beautiful she is with the muscular curves. I don't want her to take you away from me.
Oh.
Yeah, go ahead. Laugh all you want, because it's funny.
Really?
I'm just stating the obvious.
You are so unbelievable.
But I just stated the obvious. She had better stay away from you because she wouldn't like what I would do to her. She had better stay away. I am very overprotective when it comes to my man.
You know what I think? You have to apologize to her.
Frank, you know that I would do no such thing.
Oh, yes, you will.
No, I won't.
You will.
I won't.
That's an order, you will.
I won't.
$36,800,000. Kindly do the math and call me back. All right.
This SMS will destroy whatever friendship they have left.
I never imagined that could be this way. I never imagined that could be so close. I know I got these feelings for you, but some things are left untold. The love that I'm feeling for you is so strong. Ooh, yeah. I never imagined, I never imagined.
This is Frank. I do not want you to come to my house again. You already know what happened today. I love Joan and I intend to spend the rest of my life with her. Whatever we shared in the past should remain in the past. Take care. How could he? Why would Frank send me this kind of message? I mean, why? Why? Coming from my best friend, this breaks my heart. You shouldn't have. I understand you're getting married to Joan soon, but you shouldn't have broken my heart by sending me such kind of message. I have lost my best friend indeed. I'll miss you. I'll miss you, Frank. This is so heartbreaking. You shouldn't have sent this message to me. That means you never wanted my friendship. I'll miss you, Frank. I'll miss you. Now I believe the saying that 20 friends cannot be together for 20 years. Goodbye, Frank. I sure will miss you.
I never imagined that could be this way. I never imagined that would be so close. I know I got these feelings for you, but some things are left untold. The love that I'm feeling for you is so strong.
I have dropped the bombshell. That message would destroy whatever friendship they have. What rubbish. This is really crazy.
This girl again.
Hey, bestie. You are now talking to the latest graduate of medicine unit. I am so super excited. I thought I should let you know. Ciao, ciao.
To hell with you. Leave me alone. I'm getting married soon. Frank. Nonsense. I'm sending a gadget. And so what? He's Frank, the only man you know in your life. Ha!
Wait,
It seemed like Frank has responded to my SMS. My voice note told her.
Read it out of her. What did he say?
Leave me the hell alone. I am getting married. Frank. Dalo, who sent you this message? Frank. Frank? Yes. No. It can't be. What are you saying, babe? Can't you look at this message? This is a very clear evidence. What are you saying? And he even wrote his name at the end of the message. Frank can't send this. It's too classy for this. Someone is playing prank on you. You should know that. Dalo. Words. Dalo. You need to dig deep into this. It's certain Frank is not the one behind this. Yeah. It's so classy for this. You will be amazed when you know the person behind this. For sure you will. But why? It's okay. Let's go. Don't spoil your day.
What does this Chidalo, whatever her name is, what does she want from my man? Is she the only graduate? I'm also a graduate. Medical student graduates my foot. I think I know what to do. I know what to do.
Really? But this is not the right thing to do. Send me the other files. I'll send you the site to look at. Oh my... What? It's Chidalo's graduation today. How could I have forgotten? Oh my god. Oh. Where's my phone? Oh. Where's my phone? Where's my phone? Downstairs. Let me check.
Oh, this is so sweet.
Joan!
Yes, baby.
I can't find my phone.
Your phone?
Yes, I can't find it.
Have you checked upstairs?
It's not upstairs. I checked everywhere.
Where can it be? Have you checked there? Yeah, I didn't see your phone, no. Yeah? Oh, have you checked? Can it? Oh. Maybe you didn't remember when you brought it down. Maybe you didn't remember.
How could I have forgotten? It's Chidalo's graduation today. Oh my god. Chidalo. Huh. Dalo. What's going on here? I can't find her number. Excuse me? Dalo. Wait. Joan is up to something. Did she delete her number from my phone? But she has no right to do this.
Today is supposed to be my happiest day, being that I just graduated as a medical student. But Frank decided to ruin my happiness. My only regret was sending him that voice note.
Dalo, Barrister Frank is too classy for this. And you know that.
What are you saying? Didn't you see the message? He even wrote Frank on it.
It's better you call him than jumping into conclusions.
I am so pissed. I am very upset. I don't know what to take me as. That he's getting engaged to his girlfriend doesn't give him the right to insult me, even when I mean no harm.
Wait. I think his fiancé is the one behind this. Yes, she should be. That's another reason for you to call him.
Wait a minute. Why haven't I thought of this? That lady hates my guts. I don't even understand. Is she thinking I'm dating Frank or what?
That's why you need to call him. You have to call him.
Do you think I should?
Yes! Call him right away.
Hello? Hello, who's this?
It's me, Dalo.
Hey, Dalo! Oh, thank God you called. I was just trying to call you.
Frank, what have I ever done to you to deserve this ill treatment?
I beg your pardon, what do you mean?
Please don't pretend like you do not know what I'm talking about.
I don't understand what you're talking about.
After writing my last paper, I was so excited about it. And you are the only and first person that came into my mind. I sent a voice note, only for you to insult me and call me names. Warning me and telling me that you are engaged or getting married.
Dalo, what are you talking about? How can I insult my friend? That's impossible. I can't do that.
This is not the first time you're doing this. I chose to ignore because of the bond we share. Look, that you're getting married doesn't give you the right to insult me. I'll get married one day, soon, no? What is all this?
Dalo, can you just slow down, okay? I still don't understand what you're talking about. I have no idea. I don't know what you mean. I can't insult how can I insult my childhood friend? I'll never do that.
Then what about the messages?
Text messages? What text messages are you talking about?
Okay, I'll send it right away. He's playing oblivious to the message he sent.
I told you. I told him I might not be the one. And you have to calm down. Okay? You have to calm down.
Baby, say I love you. You are my forever. So make nobody come closer. You are my forever. Just wanna be with you. And you just alone. And you just alone. See, I don't want to share with anybody. Nobody. So make nobody come closer, 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 closer. Bestie, bestie, one call my love. Bestie, bestie, one call my love.
Why did you delete Dalo off my contact?
What kind of rhetorical question is that?
I am going to ask you one more time. Why did you take Dalo's number off my contact list?
I don't know what you're talking about.
You don't know what I'm talking about. That's fine. Why did you send these messages to her?
I did it to ward her off from you. What is it? Dalo will not let me rest. Every time Dalo. Listen, Frank. You are mine and mine alone. I will not share you with anyone. I will not.
Dalo is my childhood friend. We are family friends. How many times do I tell you that?
Like I do not know.
So why are you doing this?
Listen, Frank. I will not stop till you take me to your father.
Oh, really? Is that the bone of contention?
Yes. I want to see my father-in-law. Is that too much to ask?
You're so impossible. Do you know that? Now here's my verdict. I quit. I can no longer be with a woman who is insecure. Your insecurities, your insensitivity is beginning to crush your relationship. Are you aware of that?
Because of Chidalo. So because of Chidalo, you want to quit? Huh? I knew it. I knew you never wanted to take me to your father. I know you didn't even want to marry me. I know it is Chidalo that you want to marry. That is why you don't want to take me to your father. I know you've only been deceiving me.
You should be ashamed of yourself.
I am not ashamed of myself. Frank, I am not ashamed of myself. And I will not stop till you take me to your father. I will not stop.
Is it by force?
Yes, it's by force. It's by force. You haven't seen anything yet.
Yeah, there's a lot I need to apologize for. Listen, I'm really sorry, okay? Forgive her. But you know women. You know yourselves. Yeah. I don't know. Listen, that's very inconsequential right now, okay? So tell me, how's graduation like? What's happening? My prayers has always been for you to become a medical doctor. And you're almost there. Yeah. I remember when you were in primary school. You made that decision a long time ago to become a doctor, yeah. Listen, I'm very proud of you, okay? Yeah, proud of you. Like, okay, you know what? I'm gonna call you back. I'll keep in touch. Yeah, sure. Why not?
So after everything I said,
You still went to speak to her. Don't you dare walk out on me, Frank. I just spoke to you. And I expect you to say something, not walk out on me.
What the hell is wrong with you? Joan, what's wrong with you? Can't we live together in peace? I mean, I'm becoming tired. It looks like when we are together, it's World War III. But anytime we stay apart, it's always peaceful.
Is it not your fault? Frank, it's all your fault. Are you not the one talking to another woman under my nose?
How many times do I tell you that? She is my family friend. She is my friend.
Tell that to the birds.
I know her parents.
Tell that to the birds. I want to meet your father.
Babe, come on now. Stop this now. Come on. Can we just live in peace and harmony? Can we stop doing this?
Frank, what do you mean? Are you going to marry me without your father? Why don't you want me to see your father? What is this thing about your father that you do not want me to know? What's going on?
Babe, listen to me. I love you so much. I'll never do anything to hurt you. Alright? But you need to stop this.
Take me to your father.
Okay. Since taking you to my father, it's the criteria to be with you, I'll take you to my father.
Are you joking? Or are you serious?
I'm not joking.
But you mean you're going to take me to see your father?
Oh, Lord.
Baby. Oh, yeah, I love you. Mwah, 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 mwah.
Come in.
Hello, handsome.
Hey, babe, how are you? Please sit down.
Oh, thank you.
I was just about to call you, and there you go.
Really?
Yeah, you are, yeah. How are you?
I'm good.
How's your day?
Not so good.
Are you okay?
I'm fine.
Just give me a second, I'll be with you shortly, yeah? I just need to record these things, yeah.
It's alright. Babe, come on. Give me your attention. I'm here.
I know, but I'll be with you shortly. I'm just trying to do some work. I'll be done, okay? So we can go for lunch.
Lunch?
You know I was about to call you for lunch and boom, you just appeared. Yeah.
It seems like our spirits are working together.
Absolutely. I'll join you shortly, please. Give me a second.
Why are you not focusing on me? I mean, I'm here. All your attention should be on me.
Sorry, what did you say?
Do you realize that I am seated here?
Sorry, babe, I'll be with you shortly. I'm trying to sort this out. So, how was your day?
I'm fine. I missed you.
I miss you too.
Hurry up, I'm hungry. Let's go for lunch.
I'll be with you shortly.
And just come. Listen.
Madam, wait, madam, I want to go back to my
Osman!
Madam, wait now.
Come and sit down. Let's have fun together.
Madam,
Osman, just come.
madam, wait.
Come and sit.
Madam, I cannot do this thing, madam.
Sit down.
Madam, I cannot do this thing, madam.
What is wrong with you? Huh? Why are you covering? Just bring your hand.
Madam.
Bring your hand. Okay, you know what? Hold my waist. Usman, hold my waist. Come on. I know you like it. Usman has finished me. Hey, where did he get such strength from? Eh? Like he kept going and going. Not once, not twice, but 3 times. Joan, you're a bad girl. Ah.
Hello?
Hey, baby.
Hey, babe. How are you?
Oh, I'm fine. I'm good. How's work?
Are you okay?
That's good.
What are you doing?
Nothing. Just browsing through my phone.
Oh, I just called to check up on you.
Oh, thank you.
Oh, okay. Alright, I'll be back soon, okay? Alright, I'll leave you to get some rest. Okay, take care. Talk to you later.
Alright, baby. Bye.
Alright, bye. Hey, honey, I'm back. Hey, babe. Hi, babe. Babe, how long have you been sleeping here?
You're fine.
Yeah, how are you?
I didn't know when I do stuff.
Babe, I'm so hungry. Can I get something to eat, please?
Babe, I can make dinner.
Okay, since you didn't make anything, just get ready. Let's go have lunch, okay? Is that okay?
Honey, I'm not sure I'll be able to follow you, please. I'm not sure I'll be able to go out.
Why?
I don't know, I'm just tired.
Tired? Did you do any hard work?
Not really.
So what's wrong?
I don't know, my head is pounding, my body feels weak. I'm just tired.
So how long have you been feeling like this?
It started this afternoon. I started noticing changes in my body language.
Alright, I'll go out and get you some medication, okay? Alright, just give me a second. Let me... Babe. Babe, wake up. Babe. Babe, I'm back. I got your medication. What do you mean you don't want? You need to take them so you can get better. Babe, I understand you're in pain, alright? That's why I went to get them. Alright? You need... Okay, fine, tell me. What's causing the pain? Is it that time of the month?
I don't know, like... My head is banging.
Okay, are you having a fever?
Yeah.
So what caused the pain? Did you do anything strenuous?
I'm just tired.
Did you do any house chore? So what happened?
I don't know.
Alright, I'll get you water so you can... Okay, you know what? I'll get you some water so you can have your medication. Okay. There you go. Hey, drink some water. Okay. While I just pop the medicine for you. So pain. Okay. Take. Open your mouth. Sorry. You okay? But baby, you get me confused. I don't understand.
I just need to rest, that's all.
Alright, get some rest, alright?
Babe,
Yeah?
are you going to stay with me?
Of course I'm here with you. I'm not going anywhere. Huh?
Thank you.
It's okay. You'll be fine, alright?
God, do I tell him what happened? How long do I intend to keep this away from him? What if he finds out by himself?
Are you having a headache? Alright. I can't even bring myself to tell anyone what I'm going through. Should I quit? I have gone too far with Joan. I can't do this. I'm so committed into this whole affair. I can't walk away now. She can't cook. She can't do anything in the house. She can't even make a simple jollof rice. The only thing Joan can do right now is drink alcohol, get herself drunk, then tell me to have sex with her. Sex is not everything in marriage. Wow, did you see that youth pop up?
I did. What happened?
She's pretty.
Yeah, she's not bad.
I'd like to talk to her.
Why?
Do you mind? Why? She's fine. What? Are you upset?
Oh, don't you? Why would I be upset? You want to toast her? Go ahead. By the way, I would want to see how you guys do your
But
thing.
of course, you're my sister now, so you shouldn't get upset.
Oh, brother Danju, go ahead.
But she's pretty.
No one is disputing that.
Alright, just hold on. Keep quiet. Let me go say hi to her.
All right. What if she doesn't answer you?
Why won't she answer? I'm driving a Mercedes. Women like Mercedes Benz.
For real?
Hi.
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 Do you mind if I drop you off?
I'm okay.
I'm not cold standing under the sun. It's okay. Just come in. Are you afraid?
How am I sure you're not kidnappers or ritual killers?
Oh, come on. Give me a break.
Look, I understand your fear, okay? The country is messed up, so it's good to be cautious, okay? So, he is like a brother to me. Feel free. I'm a woman. Just call me.
All right.
All right. So, you're serving in this town?
Yes, I am.
Oh, great. My name is Frank. What's your name?
My name is Joan.
Joan. Oh, okay.
And I'm Dalo.
Oh, yeah.
Don't mind his manners.
So, how's it been like? You like it here?
Kinda.
What did you study in school?
I studied business management.
Business management. So you can manage a business?
Of course.
Oh, that's great. I'm a lawyer. Great. And we talk too much. Sorry.
Uncle Danju, must you say that? You really talk too much.
So where you headed?
Going for my CVS. So
Okay.
it's just a long distance.
Okay, this way, right?
Yeah. Or you could still take this way.
This way, alright. Nice to meet you.
Same here.
Please feel comfortable. I don't bite, and I'm not a kidnapper. Okay? Just like you said.
Okay.
We are good people.
Alright.
Nice to meet you. Yeah, finally back home. Sorry, hold on. I can't see you today. Yeah.
Let me go get food.
Yeah, make it 2 glasses, please. I'm thirsty.
Alright.
Sorry, just call this guy. Hello? Hi. I missed your call, sorry. I missed your call, yeah. Listen, you need to tell that guy, right? If I have to defend him in court, I need the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth. I need to ask him some very important questions, all right? So I need to, if I have to defend him in court, he has to tell me the truth, all right? Okay. All right. Okay, no problems. Thanks a lot. Appreciate it. Yeah, bye. Yeah. Wow. I was so thirsty.
You're right.
I'm fine.
Okay.
Such a long day.
But you talk too much.
What do you mean by that?
You don't know.
Okay, I'm a lawyer and it's part of our duty to talk.
That is why I can never marry a lawyer. In fact, a talkative. I hate them.
Listen, just pray you marry a fine guy like me. Yeah, you can cough all you want, I don't give a shit.
So, what you're trying to say is that you're finer than me?
Well, this is a competition.
The obvious is stated.
Really? I'm not just fine, I'm a lawyer. Hello?
I am not just beautiful, I'm a doctor.
Hello? Okay. Whatever. Whatever. But listen, you know, that girl, I don't know, she's hot. And don't forget, I need to get married soon. I need to settle down really soon. So.
You shall be coming down now.
What?
Just like that.
Yeah. I have to settle down and I have to try my best to win her over and see if she's the right person for me.
For real?
Yeah. Wait, do you have a problem with that?
Hell no. Why? Why would I?
You're my sister. Wait, are you jealous?
Are you kidding me right now?
Okay. Thanks, sister. Aren't you my sister?
In fact, I'm already praying for you.
My kid sister.
I don't even have the time, please. I'm famished.
All right.
Let me go and fix something.
Go to the kitchen and get something.
That is all I can do.
Well, yeah, of course. That's what. You know your way to the kitchen. So.
No, please, direct me. Lover boy. Oh my Jesus.
I never imagined that we could be this way. I never imagined that we could be so close. I know I got these feelings for you, but some things are left untold. The love that I'm feeling for you is so strong. Ooh, yeah. I never imagined, I never imagined I could be this close. Let's give love a chance, cause you know me better. 'cause it's so strong. What I'm feeling for you. Ooh, yeah. Oh, is this love what I'm feeling? Is this love what I'm feeling? Is this love what I'm feeling? Feeling for you. Is this love what I'm feeling? Is this love what I'm feeling? Is this love what I'm feeling? Feeling for you. I never imagined that could be this way. I never imagined that could be so close. I know I got these feelings for you, but some things are left untold. The love that I'm feeling for you is so strong. Ooh, yeah. I never imagined, I never imagined I could be this close. Let's give love a chance, 'cause you know me better. 'Cause it's so strong, what I'm feeling for you. Ooh, yeah. Oh, is this love what I'm feeling? Is this love what I'm feeling? Is this love what I'm feeling?
Okay. Seem like you're trying to fry plantain.
Yeah, some plantain.
You, when will you learn? So this is the best way you can slice a plantain, huh? Look, just pray that one day you get married to a very good wife that will be able to cook very well. If not, I am not going to be with you all the time.
Well, I pray for that too. You know, I prayed to God to send you over and He did.
Like I said, I will not be with you all the time. So, fix your eyes and learn how to slice plantain.
Babe.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay. Chef Dalo.
Just help you with the oil.
Oga Danju. Slow down.
Okay.
Don't you know that before ever you start eating, you have to pray? Or you don't know that one, Mr. Barrister?
All right, let's pray then.
Bless this food, O Lord, for Christ's sake. Amen.
Amen. So tell me, do you like plantain? I love plantain.
I love it.
I can't live without plantain.
That's one thing we share in common. So yummy.
By the way, thanks for coming around to help me. I really appreciate it.
You need a woman. In fact, you need a wife. So that she can come and cook for you all the time.
So are you saying the only reason I should get a wife is for her to help me cook? That's the only reason I need a wife.
Why are you like this?
Tell me.
Why are you good at twisting tables?
I'm not twisting anything.
I just said, by now you need to get married. I mean, you need a woman that can come and assist you. What did I say wrong?
Alright, just insult me. Tell me I don't know how to cook, so it's alright.
Uncle Danju, don't be like this, please.
Okay, you know what? Thank God you and I met Joan, right? So just pray she accepts my proposal when I eventually do. And we're gonna get married and she's gonna, do all the dishes and all the cooking and everything. Yeah.
Just like that? Is that how you get married to a woman?
It's a process.
Well, I think you should just get to know her first before even proposing.
It's a process. I've met her. I'm getting to know her. And if we're compatible, we're going to get married.
Okay.
Can I ask you something? Do Do you think she would make a good wife?
Well, it's not written on the forehead. I can't tell for now. I also need to get to know her.
You're your woman.
It doesn't mean that I'm a soothsayer. How am I supposed to know? I need to, have a conversation with her, hang out with her, get to know her better.
Alright, that's fine.
Mm-hmm.
Hey, thanks for the food. I really appreciate it.
You said that.
So what type of movies do you watch?
Anyone that is inciting. I think love, romance, adventure, action.
Oh, you like love stories?
Oga, was that the only one I mentioned?
Yeah, you said romance, love.
Love.
Speaking about love, you have never spoken to me about being in a relationship or being in love with someone. Why?
Really?
Yeah.
You really want us to talk about this?
Okay,
right
do you have a boyfriend? You've never said anything about having a boyfriend. Don't you have one?
If you must know, I don't have any.
Why? Aren't you old enough to have a boyfriend?
Which one is why? I just see them as distractions. Of course, the course I'm studying, medicine. And I don't need, in fact, the least of my worry right now is having a boyfriend. I don't need all those distractions. I beg.
So what you're saying is having a boyfriend is going to distract you from your studies?
Of course.
I have an idea. So I have this friend who's a good friend of mine. He's lonely. He doesn't have a girlfriend. So do I just, hook you guys up?
Yeah?
Yeah, bring you guys close. You get to know yourselves and catch up and probably go out for dinner or something.
Oh.
Go out on a date.
I'm not hearing
He's really cool. He's handsome. He's very, very academically bright.
Hello? What are you saying, Uncle Danju? Hello, I'm not hearing you.
No, but seriously. No, he's smart.
Oga Matchmaker, you have not even finished securing the one you just got. You want to matchmake me?
I can bet my friend likes sapiosexuals, like very smart women.
Oh.
So he's really, really going to like you.
Oh.
So just give me the go ahead to, bring you guys close.
Oh.
You guys can go out on a date, catch up, get to know yourselves better, network, talk about all kinds of things, politics, medicine.
Oh.
Okay, my bad.
So I told you that as I am like this, if I want a boyfriend, I cannot get one for myself.
Oh, my bad.
Please,
Sorry.
please, I beg. Don't even spoil my movie.
Okay, so you ready?
Hey,
What's up?
you got a call.
Oh, I do?
Yes.
Oh. Oh, sorry. Hello? Hi. Oh. Great. Really? At my gate? You're kidding me. For real? Oh, okay. I'll come get you. Yeah, sure. All right, cool. Joan is here.
That's great.
You want to help me bring her upstairs?
Hell no. She's your visitor. Do it yourself.
Really?
Do it yourself. Go.
Okay.
I hope you guys start making babies immediately. Oh.
Hey, open the gate. What are you doing? Open the gate.
Copper Sean, you're back. Come here, baby. I've missed you so much.
I missed you.
How have you been?
I'm good.
You okay? Wait, why do you look so different and beautiful?
I said to look beautiful.
So you guys didn't walk under the sun or something?
That's a story for another day.
Come here, I've missed you. Look nice.
I like my outfit.
Did you miss me? Did you miss me? Sure. Like I missed you. Come here.
You sure have a great one.
Thank you. Have a seat.
Thank you.
I'll offer you something.
Oh, hi.
Hi, John.
Dalo, right?
Yes.
You remember her?
Hi, John. How are you?
See you. I'm fine.
Good to see you. You're welcome.
Thank you.
You're beautiful.
You too.
Oh, great. So you remember her?
Of course I do.
Oh, yeah. Oh, great.
Remember you were together the day you picked me up.
Oh, right.
Sharp memory. Anyways, Frank,
Yeah, so.
I will be leaving now. You have a guest, so.
Yeah, sure.
I hope I'm not the reason you're leaving.
Oh, no, not at all. Just feel free. Feel at home, okay?
I will.
I'll see you some other time.
Alright then.
Come here. Take care.
All right,
I'll
bro.
call you, alright?
Sure.
Okay, take care.
Okay. Take care. You guys should have fun. You feel relaxed.
Okay. Alright, bye.
You remember her, right?
Of course I remember her. Why not? It seems like you're always together.
Not exactly. I think she's on break, so she just came to say hello.
Oh, I see.
Yeah.
She's in uni.
Yeah, she's studying medicine at the University of Uyo or something.
Wow.
Yeah.
Medicine.
Yeah. She's a medical student.
Nice.
Right.
Nice.
Let's go upstairs. I have something to show you.
Okay.
Come here. Why do you have that look on your face?
Nothing.
Are you sure? Oh. Hello?
Hello?
Hey, how are you?
I'm good though. How far now? Where you dey?
Where are you?
I went to see a friend though. How far? You coming out?
No. I have a guest.
You're with someone. Who?
My girlfriend.
Your babe. This one that I don't know. Who is she, Frank?
You don't know her. Come on.
Give her the phone. Let me talk to her.
You want to talk to my girlfriend? I don't understand. All right then. Fine. Hold on. Babe, my friend wants to talk to you.
Oh.
Yeah.
Hello.
Hello. How are you?
Well, and you? Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. I'm Oliver.
Okay, my name is Joan.
Joan. Like Copper Joan?
Yes.
Wow. My friend has told me a lot of nice things about you.
Really?
So Joan, what's up? How are you?
Nothing much.
Nothing. Are you sure?
Yeah, nothing much.
Okay, I hope you're taking very good care of my friend.
Okay, I'll try my best.
Okay, give him the phone.
Hey, listen. That's enough. All right. Don't steal my girlfriend away from me. Okay. So I'll call you. Bye. Okay. Talk to you later. Yeah. Okay. So like I promised, I have something to show you. Here.
You have a nice room.
Thank you. Have a seat. So I'll just go straight to the point. What do I offer you? I have brandy, champagne, beer, soft drinks. Depends on what you want.
I drink. I hope you don't mind.
No, that's okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, brandy will do. Brandy will be fine.
Okay, have you had American honey?
Yes, of course. American honey is good.
Would you like that?
Mm-hmm. Perfect.
All right.
Let's have it.
All right. Give me a second. I'll be right back.
Okay.
Okay, I found something better.
Oh, okay.
There you go. There you go.
Mm-hmm.
All Right. So, ladies first.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Oh, sir. It's brand new. Pick it up. Yeah. You okay?
Yeah, I'm good. Thank you.
Yep. So, how was your day?
It was great.
Okay, I wanted us to toast.
Oh, I'm sorry. We could toast with another drink.
Sure, that's alright.
Yeah. We could. Let me do it.
You,
No, don't worry, it's fine.
you can have mine, then I can turn it.
Okay, that's fine.
This is okay. Just hold on to this one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Toast.
Yeah. Okay, so we'll toast to our new found love.
Yeah.
There you go.
Toast.
Okay.
I'll have
Hey,
served
babe,
myself.
hold on, babe. This is brandy.
I know.
Don't you sip?
No, I don't sip. I gulp.
Okay, that's too much. You need to drink responsibly, okay?
It's fine. I'm not a child. I'm an adult.
No, that's a lot. You don't drink that way.
Come on, Frank.
Okay, you know what?
Boring.
Enough of the alcohol. Just give it to me.
Mm-mm.
No, I'm serious.
No.
No, just give it to me. No. Whoa.
Let me have the drink.
No,
I
it's
thought
okay.
the drink is
No,
for me.
It's okay. Just
bring
too
back
much.
the drink. I'm not complaining, am
can
I?
I have the glass?
What kept you so long?
What kept me so long? At least I'm back.
You're welcome. Food is ready. Should I serve you?
I'm not hungry. Put it in the fridge.
What do you mean by you're not hungry? I told you I was cooking.
I had something to eat on my way back.
Honey, I said I was cooking. I told you I was cooking. So why did you eat out?
What are you cooking? Rice. Huh? Is that one food?
Yes, rice. Is rice not food?
I'm tired of eating rice every day in this house.
Oh. So because I told you I was cooking jollof rice, you decided to eat out. Swallow, right? So where exactly?
It doesn't matter. Just get me some water to drink, please.
You see your life. She gave you swallow to eat and probably forgot to give you water to drink.
She.
You think I don't know where you're coming from, Frank? You think I don't know where you ate swallow?
Listen, it is so impossible to figure you out at times. Do you know that? Do you know that?
Frank, answer me. Where did you eat swallow? Frank, you haven't answered my question. Who prepared the swallow you ate, Frank?
So drunk. Very toxic.
Okay. Now you don't want to answer me, right?
What have I gotten myself into? I think I know what to do. I'm going to hide these drinks so she can't see them anymore.
favorite.
Hey. Babe, it's time to make dinner. Babe. Babe, what are you doing? Why are you drinking?
Hey?
What's wrong with you? Give me that. Give it to me.
Babe, stop.
You need to give me this.
Hey, give me my drink. Stop it now.
Okay, now that you're drunk, who's going to make dinner?
I don't know. I don't know who's gonna make dinner. Can I have my drink?
Give it to me.
Oh,
Who's going to make dinner? Who's going to cook? I don't know how to cook.
you are going to make dinner.
You need to stop this, okay?
Oh,
You need to stop being an alcoholic. Sometimes I wonder why a pretty girl like you should end up like this. You drink every time, morning, evening, afternoon, night, every time.
can I
Are you an alcoholic?
have my drink?
Let's go.
shouting.
Let's go.
Stop. Okay, just a sip, just
John,
small,
John,
please.
you're getting on my nerves.
Okay, just
Stop drinking alcohol. Let's go. Come out.
Frank, why are you shouting?
What's wrong with you? You're always drinking alcohol. Do you want to kill yourself?
Oh, just a little,
Do you want to kill yourself?
just a little.
Let's go.
Frank,
Let's go upstairs.
Please.
Go upstairs. Go upstairs. Let's go. Every time you keep drinking alcohol, are you trying to kill yourself? What's wrong with you? Go upstairs. Get up. Get up. Get up. Get up. Get up. Let's go. Let's go. You keep drinking alcohol. You keep doing what's wrong? I don't alcohol. What's wrong with you? Let's go.
I was with Dalo the very first day I saw her. Now, because of her, Dalo walked out of my life. Since I lost Dalo, my life has not been the same. Life was so pleasant with Dalo. She was a friend. She was more like my support system. She advises me. She cooks for me. She takes care of my house. But the moment I started dating Joan, everything just changed. I began to eat unhealthy. Dalo used to come around and take good care of me. She takes good care of my house. But Joan never does anything. She doesn't do the dishes. She's so lazy. All she does is drink alcohol and misbehaves. When she's drunk, she begins to ask me for sex. But the problem is I see all these things, all these flaws, yet I want to make her my wife. Am I making a mistake? I hope I don't regret this all my life. What is happening with my parents is enough lessons for me.
Frank, what is the matter? I mean, I've been here for the past 20 minutes now and you've been moody since I got here. What is wrong?
I'm fine, man.
Come on, Frank. Can't be telling me you're fine, even when it's obvious you're not. I know when there's a situation, And don't forget I read psychology in school. What is the matter?
Believe me when I say everything is fine.
Anyways, let me believe you. Hey, you have a court hearing today, right?
Yes, sir.
And now this look now you won't carry go court like this. Come on, Frank. You're not fine. Come out of this mood, please. Lighten up your mood and go to court for your case. Alright?
Yeah, sure.
No, this is not the Frank I know. You are not fine. Frank. What exactly is the problem? Talk to me, I'm your friend.
I don't know how I'm feeling. The feeling is so strong. Oh God, I don't want to lose Joan to Chief. I don't want to do that. I don't want that to happen.
Frank, are you going to remain like this?
Are you nervous?
Yeah.
Don't worry, my dad is a great guy. He's going to like you. You have nothing to worry about. Oh, that's him coming. Hi, Dad.
Franco,
Yeah, Dad.
you're here with the girl.
Hi, Dad. That's Joan. Joan is the love of my life, the woman I want to spend the rest of my life with. My fiance. Joan, that's my dad.
Good afternoon, sir.
Joan? They drunk?
Wait. Dad, you two know each other? Wait, you two know each other? You know my father?
Son, you are not going to marry this girl. She's a prostitute. A drunk. Come on, sweetheart. My beautiful baby. Come on. Come to Papi. Mamacita. Look, you don't even know how to be serious. Because I know you are in love. Come to Papi. Come to Papi. Oh, my bad. Let me order your usual whiskey, you know?
Chief, I don't want to drink.
What's happening? Why don't you want to take your usual?
I'm not in the mood to drink.
But you know me. I can always put you in the mood. What's the problem? Is there any problem?
There's a problem.
Problem?
Yes.
Before me, Chief Wilson. Oh, come on. That problem has not been created. I am solution. Let it out.
I'm pregnant.
Is that a problem?
Yes.
Oh, come on. That can never be a problem.
How do you mean?
If you're pregnant for me, it's good news. Yes. All I would do is to marry you as my 5th wife.
What? Chief?
Uh-huh.
Your 5th wife?
Mm-hmm.
Ha. No. I can't have this baby. I cannot. And more so,
I can't marry a man old enough to be my father.
Oh. You can't marry a man old enough to be your father. But you were able to sleep with a man old enough to be your father, right?
Look, Chief, you just have to do something about this pregnancy. And marriage is ruled out because I will not marry you. I will not.
But I've told you the only way for you to be my 5th wife, period.
No. Look for another way. Look for another way. I want an abortion.
Oh, come on. I am a knight in the church. Not only a knight, I am a titled chief. So you don't expect me to stain my hands with the blood of an innocent child.
So, Chief, what are you getting at?
It appears you are not listening to me. I can never stain my hands with blood. Okay, and let me warn you. You will not touch my baby. If you ever tamper with my unborn child, you will not like me if you do that. Okay?
Chief.
Don't chief me. I have told you, and I'm not joking. Joan. So this is you. Huh? You disappear with my unborn child?
What?
Reappear with my son? Trying to get married to him? Right? Where is my child?
There is no child.
Liar. Bloody liar. You were pregnant for me.
I had an abortion before leaving for NYSA.
Hello? Hello? Hello?
Hi, what is it?
I'm sorry. My name is Clifford. My friends and family call me Cliff. The guy you just let her know.
I know. How may I help you?
I want to know you more. If you don't mind.
I'm sorry, I'm not interested. Can I go now?
Okay, but you've not told me your name.
I already spelled it out right in there when you were about to pay my bills. Let's just say you didn't read in between the lines. No?
Okay, please, but can we get to know each other better? Please.
I guess you don't get it. Excuse me.
Frank, you have to put an end to whatever thing you have to do with this prostitute, effective immediately.
Seriously? Are you saying those words to me? Nah. Father, you should hide your face in shame.
I thought you've got class. Now take this thing out of my house now.
Dad, someone I call my father. You go around sleeping with little girls and getting them pregnant. Do you know I can sue you right now?
Frank, get out.
I brought the woman I want to marry for your blessings. Little did I know you have taken her most intimate embrace. What girl out there is safe anymore?
You are
None.
a fool. What did I say? You are a fool. Were you not supposed to carry out due diligence before you look for any girl or before you bring any girl to this house for me to see that you want to marry? Why didn't you find out whether I've slept with her before? Are you not a fool? Get out!
You know what? Mom told me everything. I just confirmed that you're a pig. You're a dog. Go ahead, Dad. Hit me. Get out.
Babe, please.
Chicka chaka chicka chaka chicka chaka chicka chaka chicka chaka chicka chaka. This is who I am. Just wanna live my life, but the things I do are not my own fault. Can you take me for who I am? Jane is my baby, say I love you. You are my forever, so make nobody come closer. You are my forever. Just wanna be with you, you. And you just alone, See, I don't want to share with anybody, nobody. So make nobody come closer.
I'm sorry, my love. Please just hear me out. Listen to my own side of the story. Please. Look, it was a mistake from my past. It happened a long time ago. I didn't know he was your father. I'm sorry. Please just listen to me, okay?
This is how you go around sleeping with people's fathers, right?
No. Babe, no, how can you say that?
I can clearly see why you insisted to see my father.
Hey, that's not true.
You kept on bothering me.
Please just listen to me, I beg you. Please, just listen to me.
Listen. I don't want to get physical with you, alright? So just go in there, pack your things, and get out.
What? You can't be serious.
I can't be serious.
Don't do this now. Okay. We've come a long way. Please, I'm sorry, Frank.
Can you take me for who I am?
Frank!
Jane is my baby, say I love you.
Frank. Frank, please. Please, I'm sorry. I'm really sorry. All I ask is that you give me a second chance. Please. Please, Frank.
Keep your apologies to yourself. It's not necessary.
Please don't say that.
I know that I really hurt you by what I did, but it's not intentional. It's not really my fault. You know, I don't know what came over me, Frank. I don't know.
Pack your things and leave. I'm done with you.
Frank, please just give me a chance to explain everything to you, Frank. Just give me a chance to explain. Please. I blame my reckless alcoholic life on my father. My father was a drunkard. There is no day that my father doesn't drink. Most times he even sends me to buy alcohol. It got to a point I started stealing his drink and getting myself drunk. My life amounted to nothing when I started taking alcohol. Ever since you took the whole alcoholic drinks away because of me. I need to find the best place to hide this drink so Frank doesn't see it. Yes. Osman. That Pokemon did try you. He's a pro. I wish you could come around again. Take on. This is the life. Alcohol is life.
Hello. Okay, well, I enjoy you.
Osman.
I enjoy you well.
Hey. You want some?
Which one with this one?
This one. You want some, right? Come and take it from my mouth.
Your mouth? Wait, make a come out for my
I want you.
Take a easy now, make I come out for myself, okay?
I need a man right now. Don't worry, I'll
wait
help
now,
you.
make I wait.
Come now.
Yeah, wait to make I come out now.
Can't you see that I need a man? Come here. Osman. Come, let me help you.
Okay.
Can't you see that I need a man? Osman.
Are they turning me on?
Babe, calm now. Babe, wake up.
Stop.
Babe, calm now.
Baby, stop now. I'm tired.
Why are you tired? What do you always do? What's making you tired? Yeah.
Must we make love every day? Eh? We had sex yesterday. True or false? So why can't you let me sleep? Why are you sounding like I'm denying you sex?
Babe, you're surprising me. You always ask me for sex every day. Morning, afternoon, and night. What changed?
I changed because you always complain of my insatiable demand for sex. Sex is not food like you normally say. So allow me sleep.
Okay, I understand that you're trying to make a decision. You're trying to change your sex routine, which is really, really good. But I really want you right now. Come here.
Oh, Sukwani K. Frank now. You know tired. Me, I'm tired though. Allow me sleep. Sex is not by force. Allow me sleep.
Okay, I apologize for saying you like sex, okay? You know what? I was just trying to stop you from demanding for sex regularly because I don't want you to probably get horny and go to someone else.
And what's that supposed to mean? Wait, is that how low you think of me?
No, that's not how low I think. I don't think, no, babe, listen, don't. What am I saying? You know what? I just miss you. That's all. Come here, babe. Please.
I said no. Frank.
Babe, don't treat me like this now.
Allow me sleep.
Really?
Yes. I want to sleep.
Good night.
Good night. Joan. So you want to marry a fine gentleman, but you're something else. Yeah, I only do what makes me happy. And this right here, this makes me so happy. Because when I drink, I get high. When I drink, I get tipsy. And when I drink, I get drunk. And when I get drunk, I do rare things. I can sleep with anything. Alcohol makes me so happy. So happy. And sex makes me happier. Joan, you're a bad girl. That is who Joan is.
a bad girl.
You slept with my gate man right under my nose.
Yeah. Anytime I drink, I get the urge to have sex with anyone. And Usman was the only person available.
This is unbelievable.
I know I made a mistake, Frank. I know I made a mistake. I wish I could turn back the hands of time. I wish I could right my wrongs. But I know it's too late. I know it's too late. But I'm never having this child for Usman. No. I will never have this child.
What did you say? What? What child? You're pregnant for the gate man? I thought it was mine. Why did you lie? Why did you lie to me?
I wanted a better life for my child.
This is unbelievable. The pregnancy is for Usman, my gate man. Joan, what have I done to deserve this? Why would you treat me like this?
I'm sorry.
I stood by you.
Sorry.
I gave you everything.
I'm sorry.
What have I done?
Frank, when I found out that I was carrying Usman's child, I told him about it. I did. But he suggested that I push the pregnancy to you. And that was exactly what I did. I'm sorry. Please, I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
What have I done to you? Why would you treat me this way?
Look,
after everything, you decided to pay me back like this?
Please, Frank. I am a prisoner of my past life.
This is not about your past. This is who you are.
I was stupid. I didn't know what came over me.
Get out.
Frank,
I said get out.
Frank, I still love you. I still love you.
Get out! Get out! Get out! I said get out!
I'm sorry, Frank. Don't
Go to Usman. Now. Get out! Get out!
So your babe has finally met with Chief.
Oliver. Joan is not who she claims to be.
I don't understand. This one you're sounding like this. Wait, what really transpired? I really want to know.
Apparently, she had something to do with my father. Yeah. My father even got her pregnant.
What? Wait, I don't get it. You mean Joan had dealings with your father? Even to the point of pregnancy?
Yeah, she opened up to me.
Jesus.
She said she met with my father, went to let her another. She got pregnant and my father asked her to be his fifth wife.
Jesus Christ.
But she declined.
Wait, did you say fifth wife?
Yeah.
You mean your father has 4 wives already?
Well, we didn't know about it.
What?
It's a long story.
Wait, let me get it. You mean Joan committed an abortion?
Yes, she said because she couldn't be my father's fifth wife.
Now that brings me to this issue of fifth wife. How? You mean your father has 4 wives already and you guys didn't know?
He hid it from everyone. In fact, it was the last maid that left. I told my mom.
Oh God, this is bad. This is very bad.
Yeah.
I'm afraid you have a situation here.
Joan is pregnant for my security man.
Holy Moses! Joan has been sleeping with this man?
Yeah, she confessed to me that she's pregnant for him.
How come she's this loose?
I have no idea.
Anyway, where is she now? Where is she?
I asked her to leave. I asked her to disappear. We're done.
You've left her already? God.
What was I supposed to do? Keep her around?
You know, Frank, I remember telling you that when two people are not compatible, it's a clear sign they are not meant for each other. But managing it is very suicidal. Very, very. Anyways, to me, I think a broken relationship is much more better than a broken marriage. This is so unfortunate.
I wish you can walk in my shoes to see where it hurts.
I perfectly understand you. I understand your situation. I do. This is bad.
It's more than bad.
I think our excessive intake of alcohol got her into this mess.
You knew about her alcohol problems?
Dalo, honestly, I'm not happy with you. I am not.
I don't get. What did I do?
What did you not do? It's about Frank. You love Frank, and yet you allowed him fall for another babe.
I don't understand what you're saying.
This is very simple. You love Frank, and I am sure Frank loves you as well. Yet, the love expression is lacking. It is not there.
Look, Oliver. Frank is my childhood friend. We grew up together. We did things together. We love each other, but we can't be together. That is something you should understand.
That is my problem. You guys dot on each other. You have deep feelings for each other, yet you can't be together. You don't want to be together. Why?
Frank is my brother.
To the best of my knowledge, Frank is not your brother. Yes, it's a fact that both families, I mean yours and his, are friends. But you guys are not related by blood. So what makes him your brother?
Look, Oliver, I can't be with Frank. Yes, I understand. He loves me and I love him too. But we can't be together. We just can't.
Let me tell you, if anything happens to Frank in that relationship, I will hold you responsible. I mean, don't you get it? Frank is with Joan simply because you allowed it. That girl is a walking red flag. She's a no-no.
But she told me to stay away from Frank, and that is what I am doing.
Listen, if anything happens to Frank in that relationship, I will hold you responsible. I will. And that is what I've come here to tell you.
You can't tell the heart where to belong. I guess Frank has chosen where his heart belongs. And obviously it's Joan. I can't stop it. I have to leave. Please.
Not so fast. Not so fast. Shida, I've been meaning to ask you. Why are you not seeing anybody presently at your age? You see? Exactly what I'm talking about. You have refused to engage or involve yourself with another man simply because of the unflinching love you have for Frank. Yet, you cannot tell him what you feel. See, I just want to tell you something. You are the main reason Frank is with Joan. Now, he wouldn't even want you close to him. It's unfortunate, but I hate to break it to you. You lost your best friend to that loser. You really did. You want to go, Abby? No problem. Walk up to Frank. Tell him your mind. He needs you as much as you need him.
Joan tried to seduce you, and you never told me?
Frank, of what use would that have been? I know how much you love this girl. I know how much you are committed to this girl. Despite all the red flags she's been giving you in that relationship, you stood by her, even when she's acting irrational.
You should have at least told me.
I understand, Frank, but what use would that have been? You wouldn't have believed me.
She confessed to me that she's been sleeping with my gate man severally.
God. That's bad. That's very bad.
They had sex everywhere. My living room, my bedroom, my kitchen. They did it everywhere. I sent them out of the house.
Frank, I remember your exact words. In quotes, Dalo is like a sister to me. I love Dalo so much. I have fallen helplessly in love with her. Unquote. Those were your exact words.
You're right. I love Dalo. But I can't summon that courage to tell her how I feel. I feel like it's going to ruin our relationship.
Scared of what exactly, Frank? What are you scared of? I have cajoled you severally to tell this girl how much you love her, how you feel about her, but you would not do that. Until I met her recently and I found out that she feels exactly the same way you do. But the love expression is lacking. I don't understand. I've told you to take the bull by the horns. Express yourself to this girl.
Are you okay? Are you okay? What is it? Talk to me. What's the problem?
I'm not okay.
Okay. I'm here. What is it?
Joan.
What about Joan?
We broke up.
What? Joan jilted you? Wait, she left you?
I can't say. I have no explanation.
What? It's okay. But what happened? Why did she do that? It's okay. Alright? Oh my God. You're running temperature. You know what? Let me just go get cold water and massage your head, alright?
Don't leave me.
I'll be right back. Just hold
Stay
on.
here.
Okay. I'm here. I'm going nowhere. It's enough. I understand how you feel. It's okay.
Just stop talking about her. Just stay with me.
Let's give love a chance, cause you know me better. Cause it's so strong, what I'm feeling for you. Yeah. Oh, is this love what I'm feeling? Is this love what I'm feeling? Is this love what I'm feeling? Feeling for you. Is this love what I'm feeling? Is this love what I'm feeling? Is this love what I'm feeling? Feeling for you.
This place is smelling badly. No. This place is not smelling good at all. What is Joan doing here? Maybe she cannot tidy the whole place. Why are you here?
Just hear me out, please.
You still haven't told me why you called me. After everything you did to me, you have the nerve to call my line and show your face before me.
Chidalo, I'm sorry. I'm sorry for everything. Look, I just want you to help me talk to Frank. Help me beg him. Let him take me back. Please.
She's sorry. She wants me to talk to Frank. Really? After everything you did to me? You are the same person that told me never to show my face in your house.
I'm sorry. Joan, please, I'm sorry. Okay? I was only jealous.
Jealous? Jealous? We met you together. We both walled you together. What were you thinking? That I would go around and sleep with him? For crying out loud, Joan, Frank is like a brother to me. I can never have anything with him. I can't even sleep with him either.
I know. Look, Joan, I'm sorry. Look, I regret everything. I regret all my actions. I'm sorry. Please, I'm so sorry.
Do you expect him to be with the same lady who slept with his father countless times? Tell me. Maybe fuck up. Check him now. So you want him to come back to you? Things are not done that way. My dear, let me just advise you, just to move on with your life. Okay?
Dalo, please. I know you can do something. I know you can talk to Frank. Please, Chidalo, I'm begging you, please. I'm begging you, please. Help me talk to Frank. Please, anything at all you can do for me, just do it. Please, I beg you. I'm sorry for everything. I'm sorry for the way I spoke to you. I'm sorry for the way I insulted you. I'm so sorry. Please, Chidalo, help me. Please.
Stand up.
Thank you.
It's not going to be an easy one, babes. Trust me. You really hurt him. You really hurt Frank. But nevertheless, I will try and talk to him.
Thank you.
But I'm not assuring you 100% that he's going to listen to me. It's not easy, but I will try my best.
Thank you. I will call you to know how everything went.
Excuse me, my boyfriend is calling me. Hey, babe. I'm fine. Yeah. All right. I'll be with you shortly. I think you should give Joan a second chance.
I beg your pardon? I should take back a woman who slept with my father and got pregnant for him? Huh? A woman who's been sleeping with my gate man, Usman.
You don't say. Wait a minute. Joan has been sleeping with Usman?
How many Usman do you know?
Holy girl.
That's not the type of wife I want to end up with. Yeah. Besides, she doesn't do anything. All she does is drink alcohol, have sex, party, do her makeup, sit at home all day, and that's it. I'm sorry, I can't be with someone like that.
The Joan I saw today doesn't even look pregnant to me.
Oh, you saw her today? I can clearly see that's why you're here trying to preach to me. Well, that's good. Well, I guess she has finally, carried out her decision of an abortion. Yeah, because she told me she wasn't going to keep the child, so only God knows how many series of abortions she has done.
This is unbelievable. I really feel for you.
It's crazy.
Well, it's quite obvious you can't marry Joan. But at least you should search for another lady. Get married. At least give your parents a grandchild even.
Why must I search for another woman when I have one sitting right in front of me?
Let's see, I didn't quite get what you said. Can you come again?
Dalo, let's get married. I'm serious. I want to marry you.
Please just clean your mouth. I say. Stop taking trash right now.
It sounds funny to you, but I'm serious. Listen, I've always loved you, but I was afraid to tell you. I didn't know how to go about it. I've always wanted to be with you. I've always cared about you, but I understand we grew up together, we're childhood friends, but at some point I fell in love with you and I just didn't know how to tell you.
Look, you are not in front of a judge. Can you just get serious? Let's just talk about the reason I'm here again.
I'm serious, I'm not joking.
There he goes again.
Dalo, I love you and I want to be with you. Dalo, wait.
I never imagined that could be so close. I know I got these feelings for you, but some things are left untold.
I've been so stupid all my life. What the hell is wrong with me? I had her right in front of me, right in my hand. I lost her. I let her go. I love her so much. What was I thinking? I should have just told her. I was afraid. She likes to call me her brother, but we're not blood related. I was scared, she might run away, just like she did. But she's my best friend, my love of my life. Someone I'm very comfortable. Dalo, you came back?
Yes. I came back to take what rightfully belongs to me.
Are you serious? I thought I lost you to Clifford.
No, my love. You didn't lose me to anyone. Clifford thought we were dating, so he jilted almost immediately.
Alright then, that's good news. That's good for us. Let's get married then. What are we waiting for?
Yes.
Listen, I know I know I have been so stupid, alright? But I was afraid to tell you how I felt or how I feel. You like to call me your brother when I'm not your brother. But you were so comfortable calling me that, and I was afraid of losing you. I didn't know how to tell you. Each time you come close to me, I look at you without you knowing I'm looking at you, because you mean everything to me. I care so much about you. Listen, you are everything a man wants in a woman. And when I think about loving you or how much I love you, I feel bad for going to find love in all the wrong places. Listen, I know I don't have a ring here, but will you marry me? I can go out and buy a ring after you say yes. Just say yes, that's all. That's all you need to do.
Yes. Yes.
Thank you. I love you. I'm so sorry for not telling you this a long time ago. Can I go and buy the ring now? There you go.
Finally.
Finally what? So, from being childhood friends to becoming friends, then besties, then becoming enemies, sworn enemies. No. Were we ever enemies? No.
Maybe you, not me.
Okay, so now we are married people. A married couple.
Newly wedded couple.
A newly wedded couple. How do you feel about it?
I feel so
High five. So tell me, how many kids would you like to have?
3.
3. Why 3?
You've always known I want 3 kids.
3 girls. 3 girls.
No.
How many?
2 boys, 1 girl.
Why 2 boys? How about 3 girls?
You and women. What about the
Okay, all right. So let's say 2 girls and 1 boy.